Hello everyone, myself Harshita Reddy VV studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Honda section. Today the subject is waste management and my topic is waste management record keeping, control and monitoring. Introduction. Effective waste management, record keeping, control and monitoring are the essential for the environmental protection and regulate the compliances. Proper documentation and monitoring help organization track waste management, disposal and diversion efforts. Implementing robust waste management practices can also lead the cost saving and the sustainability. Waste management, where here you can see the prevention, minimization, reuse, recycle and energy recovery and also disposal. These are the steps where waste management or waste disposal can treated as. Importance of record keeping. Accurate record keeping provides a clear picture of the types and quantities of the waste generated. It helps in identifying trends, setting goals, and making informed decisions for the waste reduction and recycling. Regulatory agencies may require detailed records to ensure the compliance with the waste management regulations. Types of waste records. Commonly, waste records include waste generation, logos, and disposal manifest, recycling reports, and audit findings. Digital platforms and the software can streamline record keeping processes and improve the data accuracy. Keeping record and organized and easily accessible is a crucial for the effective waste management. Here you can see the five types of dustbins where one is organic, solid, liquid, and recyclable, and second one is hazardous, where we can separate the waste. So in separation of dustbins, we can know to come where the waste can be put it. Control measures. Complementing waste minimization strategies can reduce the amount of waste generated. Segregation waste at the source enables better management and diversion of the recyclable materials. Proper training and the communication with the staff are essential for the successful waste control measures. Here, 8 ways to reduce the waste in the workplace. Go to a paperless, set up the recycling bins, buy appliances that help reduce the waste, recycle or refurbish your office equipment, donate surplus products or the materials, convert energy into the office, rethink the reuse packaging and purpose reuse products where it required or possible. Monitoring techniques, where regular waste audits helps identify the insufficiencies and the opportunities for the improvement. Tracking the key performance indicates KPIs such as waste diversion rates can measure the progress towards the waste management goals. Utilizing the technologies like a sensors monitoring software can provide real-time data for a better decision making. Regulatory compliances. Compliance with the local, state, federal waste management regulations is crucial for avoiding the fines and the penalties. Keeping the detailed records of the waste handling practices can demonstrate compliances during the inspection. Regularity reviewing and the updating waste management practices ensures the ongoing adherence to the regulation. Best practices for the record keeping. Establishing standardized producers for the record waste data promotes the consistency and the accuracy. Implementing a centralized waste management system can be the streamlined record keeping the processes. Conducting the regular training sessions for the staff on the proper record keeping practices and enhance the data quality. Here you can see the process where here record managing the life cycle is used. First we can create or receive, use or modify, maintain or protect, disposal or destroy, archive or preserve. Here this is a life cycle of the best practices for the record keeping, where we can go in a flow of this chart. Employee engagement. Engaging the employees in the waste management introduces the forest of a culture of sustainability with the organization. Encouraging staff to participate in the waste reduction programs can lead to innovative ideas and increased compliances. Reorganizing and reward employee for their contribution to the waste management efforts boost the morale and the motivation. Here are the five drives of employee engagement: purpose, empowerment, advancement, impact, and belonging. Performance metrics. Establish clear waste management goals and the targets helps in measure the effectiveness of the control and monitoring efforts. Tracking the metrics such as waste diversion rates, landfill, and diversion, the cost saving provides the valuable insight. Benchmarking performance against the industry standards can be identify areas improvement and the best practices. Here you can see the four types of metrics. One of these is the business performance metrics, project management, and the employee performance or the sales performance. They here are the four types of performance. Continuous and improvement. Regularly reviewing the waste management records and the performance data allows for the continuous improvement. Conducting the periodic audits and the assessments helps identify areas on optimization and innovation. Engaging the stakeholders and seeking being feedback can be lead to the new strategies for the enhancing waste management or the practices. Technology integration. Well, according to the society, the technology is going on improving, but in a waste where we don't see any technologies, or there are some technologies where it in waste management we can reduce the waste as much as it came. The technology is improving. Now we're going to the technology integration. Technology solutions such as waste management software and IoT devices can enhance the monitoring capabilities. Implementing a digital record keeping system can improve your data accuracy, accessibility, and analysis. Investing in innovative technology can streamline waste management process and the drive operational efficiencies. Risk management. Identifying the potential risk associated with the waste handling and the disposal is the essential for the mitigating environmental and financial liabilities. Developing the contingency plans for the emergencies and the unforeseen events ensures the preparedness and the compliances. Regularly assessing and addressing risk in the waste management practices minimizes like a likelihood of the incidents and the regulatory violences. Collaborative and partnerships, where you can see the communication strategy. Effective communication with the internal and external stakeholders is a key to the promoting the transparency and the accountability in the waste management. Providing regular updates on the waste management indices and performance metrics first in the engagement and support. Utilizing the multiple communication channels such as news portals, internet portals, and the ensures whispered and awareness and participations. Here we can see the case study. The case study where it goes in a Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. In such places, there are different types of case studies. In here, highlighting the successful waste management initiative and the outcome can be inspired others to adopt the best practices. Sharing real world example of the waste reduction, recycling, and cost saving can demonstrate the benefits of the effective record keeping and monitoring. A case study can serve as a learning opportunity and a motivation for continuous improvement in the waste management practices. Finally, we are going to the conclusion, where in the conclusion, waste management, record keeping, control, and monitoring are essential components of sustainable business practices. By implementing robust system and processes, organizations can achieve the environmental goals, regulatory complements, and cost savings. Continuous evaluation, innovation, and collaboration are the key to the driving ongoing in the waste management practices. Thank you.